Okay, so we'll take up fungi, kingdom today. Fungi in British pronunciation and fungi in American pronunciation. Fungus, they are referred to as ubiquitous. Ubiquitous, it refers to being cosmopolitan. That is, all around you, everywhere. These fungi, they are present. They are cosmopolitan, means omnipresent. We'll take up this diagram later on when we complete the structure so that you understand it better. Before that, we have to take up the kingdom fungi or fungi, not fungi. Fungus, which is one of the most important and creaking kingdom, an erroneously made kingdom by R.H. Whittaker. They're ubiquitous, that is everywhere around you. Fungal growth can be seen. They may be multicellular, always they are multicellular, but you would say that few fungi, they aren't visible even though they're multicellular. But the answer to this question is that even though they are multicellular, but they can be very small in size too. So they are always multicellular. The very first multicellular kingdom that has incipiented before Plantae and Animaliae kingdom. Multicellular, or they are mostly colonial. The most important factor which plays a role is that these fungi, they are usually terrestrial, or I must say it is the commonplace terrestrial habitat is the most common habitat where a fungi like mushroom may reside, may sojourn. Terrestrial habitat, and only there is one class of fungi, oomycetes or oomycetes, but not oomycetes. Oomycetes, these oomycetes or oomycetes, they are some of few of them, they are present, they are extant in the aquatic habitat, which is an exception and aberration to this terrestrial theory. Fine, more of fungi if we talk of. So you would have seen creaking protrusions on your nails. You would have seen that few untidy, Katzenjammer, bleak, tawdry sort of protrusions. They are can be behold very untidy, not at all spick and spam, bad protrusions. They are seen. Their nails are not plain, smooth like others, but protruded out, and it could be seen that something is amiss with the particular nail, and that is nothing but the keratophilus fungi. Keratophilus. Now you are all cognizant, aware of the fact that your nails, they comprise keratin, which is a protein, and the fungi which burgeons on this keratin. They are the keratophilus fungi. Like this, akin to this, we have different types of fungi. Let us discuss them. First, we had discussed types of fungi on the basis of their attacking loci. One was keratophilus. Second type of fungi, if you would have seen, fungi which are xylophilus. This is a common literary term, not at all scientific also. It is used in literature too. Xylophilus or xylophilus. Xylophilus fungi, which is extant on wood. If I say that it burgeons, it grows on wood, I hope so that it would become all dicey, because the one which grows on wood is referred to as epixylic fungi, epixylic fungi, and the one which grows on the burnt wood, such fungi, they are referred to as the xylophilous fungi. Now you would say that such facets trivia which I am bestowing to you, it is not present in your NCERT, but it is very salient for your competitive exams. So I am telling you this. Now if we talk of the third type of fungi, that is coprophilous fungi. Now, what is coprophilous fungi? I may tell you, the fungi which is growing or which grows on cow dung, green colored fungi, they are all coprophilous fungi or fungi. Next type of fungi which we must take up is the fungi which grows on the bark of wood. They are the corticulous fungi or corticulous fungi. So there is a difference between the bark of a wood. There is a difference between xylophilus, that is burnt wood, and the one which grows on a normal cork wood like structure. Epixylic, xylophilus, and corticulous fungi. We have different separate sorts also, like curatophilus and coprophilus. Coprophilus, you may put important over here. It's a very salient one because NCERT hints towards the presence of coprophilous fungi, so it becomes all in all very important. Like I had said, we'll come to this diagram later. First of all, let us take up a few examples of oomocetes or oomycetes. We're not discussing the class now because it's a very lengthy concept. Oomocetes, most of them are, like if someone has query, according to the NCERT, it comes under phycomycetes. Phycomycetes has a subdivision, oomocetes, that we are discussing of. They have aquatic organisms, aquatic fungi. Oomocetes, and most of them, like if you had seen of Chytridiomyces,
Don't make this video more than